Hi, this is Gara with Gara's Customs, and today I'm going to show you how to install this guide rod on the Ruger Security 9. So first, make sure that the firearm is empty. And I'm going to point out, on the original, there's a lot of movement on the guide rod. And it's also made out of plastic, so I'm going to go ahead and take it apart here. I like pressing on the side with a regular click ballpoint pen, just slightly press it down and that pen will easily come out. So go ahead and take off the slide and you'll see the original guide rod. There's a lot of flex. The only metal piece is up here. You can see it wobbling back and forth. It is nice because it's captured, so you can easily take it out, but there's no way to monitor the wear on this, see when it's going weak, and it's a plastic part with a metal piece that I feel is prone to failure. And beyond that, you're able to change the spring weight with this. So let's take a look here. We'll go ahead and open this up. Be careful, there is a slight amount of tension on the spring here. But anytime you're messing with springs, be sure to protect your eyes. So first we have the bushing. Show you where that goes in the slide. And then here's the guide rod and spring. So first, to install this, what we're going to do is take out the barrel. And place the bushing on the guide rod. So there is a smaller piece in the front that is going to go forward. That presses into the front of the slide where the guide rod goes. You can put it in by hand, but as you see here, it's kind of sideways because it's such a tight fit. I'll show you how I install it. So take the guide rod and the bushing, place it over top of it. So there's the direction it's going to go. Take it, and it clicked in place. You'll see that it's in all the way. That's the easiest way to get that bushing seated in place. So now that the bushing's installed, you can go ahead and reinstall the barrel. Now you'll take the guide rod, put the spring on it. I like to turn the slide sideways some so I can hold the barrel and slide, because there is a decent amount of force here. And you'll want to compress the spring all the way. Get it inside of the hole of the bushing. That's probably the hardest part right there. So you can see with the new guide rod install, it sits on the ledge of the barrel just like the original one, and there's no way for this to flex. It'll sit securely in place. So now I'm going to go ahead and reassemble it. So there is a bit more spring tension on this. It does help manage recoil. With the 20-pound spring that's included, I haven't found any ammo that it won't cycle. So I do have other spring rates available, but with a 20-pound spring, it just shoots the best. You can see here, there is zero movement, maybe just a little bit, but nothing compared to what the original one was. So that is how easy it is to install this guide rod on the Ruger Security 9, and thanks for watching.